Oh yeah, YouTube. George here. Hope you're all well. I just thought I'd show you this. I've posted pictures of it online, and it's got a good reaction. So basically, if you haven't seen the first video, I'll put a link to that here in 1 second, and you can go off and have a look at that. So basically what you're looking at here is a Mark II 148 GTL DX, and what we've done is we've added in one of the FC 347 counters into it, converted it to 5-digit. We had to remote the counter module away from the board, so for space constraints and stuff like that, so it's midways down the radio here. Removed the channel selector, or not the selector, the channel display board, and modified all the inner panel to take the new display. Other than that, all that's done to this thing, it's super low to super high, and 10k jump, and we have the usual. Then no beep is off, done away with it. And I have I ended up, there was no SWR bridge in it when I came here, so I just shorted it out, and what I done with this switch here is for the meter, internal or external, because I do use that one up there sometimes. So this radio will be sitting up there for a while, and quite pleased with how it turned out. Now I didn't paint the cases or anything, that's the way they came, with new screws in there, carbon fibre vinyl wrap, as the bezel was bad, and I painted the front of it and around the switches and around the signal meter. But the only thing I'm not happy with how this kind of worked out here around the kind of squished the decal. That's no fault of Brad's at all. That's my fault, because I kind of got impatient and wanted to get it all together. So I have another decal there. He was kind enough to send me two, and what we might do is, I'm thinking about maybe making a little frame to go around this and glue it on. So I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. That's what I kind of have in my head. It might be a neater solution than cutting it, because this is a interference fit. This is actually black perspex, and it's got diffuser material behind it. So this is a push fit into the face. It's that tight, it doesn't even need glue. So yeah, but other than that, quite happy. Tuned the bejesus out of it just on low, mid and high. I don't believe in this super low, super high carry on. Like, all you need is mid and high, really. So it's tuned to full factory spec. The super low to super high diode conversion was in it when I came here, so I didn't bother pulling it out. I just left it there, and yeah, it's just something different, and quite pleased with it, how it turned out. Yeah, this actual radio was sent to me by Billy over in the Liverpool there. It's kind of in exchange for a job I'm going to do for him, and good radio. Didn't have to do a whole lot to it. It's got some funky mods in there already. The board was kind of destroyed. Budget bill was in there, so we just left it all because everything seemed to work, and just tuned it up. Got a 4700 UF capacitor where there should be 1000 microfarad one on the power strip, but you'll have that. So the usual, we have the 6 up and 7 down. So the usual, cleaned all the controls and done the custom meter. I don't even, did I 2 colours? I'm not sure, can't remember. What did I say? Oh, I did. I couldn't remember whether I did or not. So you know, I wanted to keep, I've seen this done once where this switch was removed and it just didn't look right. I wanted it to be kept with the 4 switches, but we lost the RXTX light, but you have that in the meter, so you don't need it. Yeah, so as I said, got a good reaction online. I have 2 of these to build now for a couple of gentlemen, and yeah, expensive build because, you know, you have to have the radio, you have to have the counter, and then, you know, labour on top of it and stuff like that, because it takes quite a bit of doing in it now. It's over 20 hours anyway to, again, all the fabrication is done and you get everything in, and, you know, like this is hand cut and hand filed, you know, just keep filing it till it fits, and yeah, that's it. Nice to hear a bit of activity on the 555. Let's put you in the mount here. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased with it now. Something different. It's all about something different, and I wanted it to make it look like it came that way from the factory. So yeah, so anyway, I'll put a link up in the corner, as I said, to the first video. If you haven't seen that, you can go off and have a look at it. You'll see the inside of it and some of the nastiness that's been done to it, and then what I done to it. Happy days. Audio 1 2. Ah, there we go. 1 2 1 2. I actually have to change the wiring around on that because it's I actually did it backwards. It's a nice looking radio. I'd be biased though. Right, so we'll leave it there for this video, and we'll get you again sometime further down the line. 73, and all the best. This is George at Irish Custom Radios.